Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Twitter CEO Floki token. Ticker symbol is Flokiceo. Now tons of these CEO tokens have been coming out recently. This one's doing very well. It just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Right now it's up 148.4%. I think it was up even more last night when I saw it get listed. But yeah, there's tons of Doge CEO, Flokiceo, Shiba CEO tokens all coming out right now. It's a very hot name in crypto. I just did a live stream about all the Doge CEO tokens that came out, so check that out. There was at least 4 brand new Doge CEO tokens that just are either in pre-sale right now on Pink Sale or just completed their pre-sale, so go check those out. But we're going to go over Twitter CEO Floki right now. Floki CEO is the ticker in just 1 second. But before we do that, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Twitter CEO Floki. So Twitter CEO Floki.xyz is their official webpage. They also have a BSC scan here listed on CoinMarketCap. You can find that on there. Medium, Twitter, Reddit is on here. Full white paper, Telegram, GitHub, price chart, contract address. All that is available on CoinMarketCap. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps. You would find Pancake Swap, and you would trade your BSC for the Twitter CEO Floki token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You can also find it on their webpage, white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. So this token is doing very well, just like the, one of them initial CEO tokens. A couple of those did very well as well. This one has 4,015 holders right now. 18 decimal places on this token, 32,305 transfers, and a total supply here of 98,384,557,149,256.7 tokens. Now, what is this project all about? Well, Twitter CEO Floki token was born June 1st, 2021. Okay, so it's an older token, so maybe that's why it has a ton of holders. With the goal of being a decentralized meme project with a purpose. Twitter CEO Floki is a fun meme with a serious mission to rescue dogs in need, bring crypto adoption to the mainstream with new concepts such as rewards, NFTs, decentralized exchanges, and credit card with crypto payments to our website. Within the first 21 days of birth, Shiba Floki token made history, surpassing 100,000 plus holders. Twitter CEO Floki Inu Swap is one of the utilities. We are one of the first meme coins to have a live decentralized swap directly on our website right after launch. Twitter CEO Floki Inu Card Pay. We are one of the first meme coins to offer credit cards for crypto payments directly on our website. Also, Twitter CEO Floki Inu Paw Wallet. On our roadmap, our Paw Wallet will have users track their rewards gained from reflections, wallet balance, coin valuation, and more. And Twitter CEO Floki Inu NFTs. Our largest project in the works is our NFT marketplace. We will allow users to create a buy auction with their NFTs and plan to allow users to donate a percentage to help save dogs. And lastly, the Twitter CEO Floki Inu Swag, a merchandise store for Shiba Floki holders to proudly support their favorite meme in the real world with the proceeds to benefit the project and help more dogs in need. So transparency, Twitter CEO Floki Inu is decentralized and supported by its community of enthusiasts. We encourage open communication and believe in trust, transparency, and community are our 3 pillars to building longevity. Also, trust in cryptocurrency market trust is paramount. That means full transparency not only in the community and development, but also in the security efforts. Twitter CEO Floki has been audited by a third party, Desert Finance, and has burned a locked majority of the LP tokens. No rug pulls here, only cute Twitter CEO Floki Inu. Also, community. Twitter CEO Floki Inu is one of the fastest growing and most loved communities in crypto. We believe only together we are strong. Community is everything, and Twitter CEO Floki strives to include everyone from around the globe. We have multiple Telegram channels dedicated to international communities. And longevity. Twitter CEO Floki Inu is in it for the long haul. The decentralized community is fostering and adopting long-term development of the ecosystem and foundation in efforts to drive real use cases and greater rewards beyond any temporary trends. So it's a sovereign blockchain, the BSC chain here, and it says it will provide security and safety to all users and developers, and it goes over Binance Smart Chain. So this token is community powered, fully decentralized, and owned by a fun and vibrant community. We welcome and embrace diverse perspectives. Instant rewards. For every transaction, there's a 5% fee distributed to existing holders. That means the more Twitter CEO Floki you hold in your wallet, the more it will grow on every transaction. And it also has locked LP. Liquidity tokens are burned and locked. Additionally, 5% of all transaction fees are added to liquidity, and you can view your LP holdings. So it says, 5% fee. It says it's split 50-50, actually. So there's a whole bunch of taxes, actually. Sorry. So it's a 17.2% tax. 2.2% goes to the charity wallet. 5% is burning. And then we got 5% is liquidity pool, and then 5% reflections. That looks like how it's split up there. Now they got a roadmap on here as well. So their partnerships. They're going to do a Tesla giveaway. They have CertiK audit on here, listing on central exchanges, wallet integrations, influencer marketing, brand adoption, all sorts of stuff on here. You can check this all out. And then they have a token allocation pie chart on here. 25% goes to burning, 25% games, 20% exchange markets, 20% pancake swap, 5% marketing, 5% team development. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.